How to log into American Express credit card. Hi guys, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation, I'll demonstrate the steps to log into your American Express credit card. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch any of your web browser and type in americanexpress.com in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then you will come across the official website of American Express, and from here, look at the login button that is highlighted in blue color in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. This will directly take you to the login portal, from where you need to enter the correct form of your user ID in the first field, followed by the correct form of your password in the second field. Now select the account type, either cards and banking, membership reward, merchant account, American Express work. As we are looking for credit cards, we'll go for cards and banking. Now also check this box of Remember Me if you'd like this Google Chrome web browser or the system to remember your credentials for the future logins. But if you're using a public or shared computer, do not check this box for security reasons. And in the case if you have forgotten your user ID or the password, go ahead and click on this link of Forgot User ID or the Password in order to successfully retrieve or reset your credentials. And if you haven't created online account yet, click on Create New Online Account and follow the on-screen instructions. In order to confirm the card received, click on this option over here. Now after entering the correct form of your credentials in the first and the second field, click on the login button highlighted in blue color in order to successfully log into your American Express credit card account. After logging in, you will be able to access your credit card section. So this was all about it. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.